Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create infographics in Canva. Infographics are perfect for turning information into something visual and easy to understand. First, open Canva on your computer and search for infographic. In the search bar at the top, Canva will instantly show you hundreds of ready-made templates to choose from. You can scroll through and pick one that fits your topic, whether it's for business, education, or social media. Once you select a template, it opens in the Canva editor. Here, you can customize everything: text, colors, icons, and layout. To change text, just click on it and type in your own information. To update colors, select any element and use the color picker at the top. If you want to add visuals, go to the left-hand panel and click on Elements. You'll find shapes, icons, and illustrations to make your infographic more engaging. Just drag and drop them where you want. You can also upload your own images, like logos or charts, by clicking Uploads on the left. Once your infographic looks the way you want, click Share in the top right corner. From there, you can download it as a PNG, JPG, or PDF. Canva even gives you the option to share it directly to social media, and that's it. You've created a professional-looking infographic. In just a few minutes using Canva,